sheriff called back and I told him there was a big cat, Dad.
He said somebody else saw a cougar, too.
Well, I'm gonna get a little rest, and then I'll go back out in a couple hours.
He's home! Christmas! I knew that cougar wasn't too big for Christmas. Right, Dad?
You did good.
Yeah, you did so good. I'll get you some iodine.
So you want to be petted, huh? Well, I guess you deserve it. What an amazing dog.
Come here, boy. You're gonna be okay.
So how's our new mother doing?
She's fine. They all look good.
Dad?
Mm-hmm.
It's the day after Christmas.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
We have to take Christmas back to the shelter today. Because that's how the program works.
That's right. That's how the program works. And that was our agreement.